Hey guys, so if you've been following along with the kind of Ryfab adventure here with the windshield, I did speak to one of the guys earlier this week, and I was traveling, so I just got home and been trying to still kind of look and see what's going on with correcting the situation. Their suggestion was to take a rubber mallet, and if I understood them correctly, this plastic piece right here, basically, I'll flip the windshield down. Their suggestion was to take a rubber mallet and essentially bang on this, and that this piece right here should kind of move itself back, essentially kind of up and back. And when you look here, I mean, this piece right here, and I'm actually kind of tracing it with my finger here. Probably can't quite make it out. There it is right there on camera. You can kind of see it. I mean, it's laying flat against the roll cage. So it's laying flat down here. And I mean, when you bang on it, nothing happens. There are some bolts here. I'm trying to avoid having to take the roof off because I've got lights up here. I got lights in the back. I can easily take out my liner here. I've got a disconnect, so that's not really a big deal. Oh, and just happened to notice that my lens fell off there, but anyway, have to look and see if I can find that. Anyway, no big deal. But I'm not seeing a way to for this to go up. And one of the things I'd originally hoped was when I put the metal piece on, which I've removed for right now, that by screwing this down, it would actually pull this piece up. It didn't. I'm still not seeing a way for this piece right here to bend out any. If anyone's got any ideas, by all means, please put them in the comments, but I'm not seeing it. I will say the Ryfab guys have been really nice to deal with. They've actually been really helpful at offering suggestions over the phone. I'm still talking to them, and I just sent them a whole bunch of pictures that I took. So I'm looking forward to seeing what their response is, but I'm not seeing a way to get this resolved. What I'm seeing is from this point here on the weather stripping, there's a half an inch. And I'll post a photo maybe on the video, but there's at least a half an inch between this point and where it's trying to mate up with this plastic piece here. So the suggestion I was thinking of was a piece of L bracket aluminum, which I could then put the weather stripping on that. That would help close the gap, but it's still not an ideal solution. So I'm trying to figure out what's going to happen here. Again, Ryfab has been really nice and offering up some suggestions. One of the possible suggestions was to put on some even larger weather stripping. My concern with that is that even in this position here, I'll flip this up, you can see when this goes up, even with this weather stripping, it's getting caught here, and I don't even have the metal piece on. So what you have to do is you have to pull this down and then kind of pull it through. I'll see if I can do it while holding the camera. There it goes. So you have to push it through, and then up here you can see right here, if you can just make it out, you see that gap right there. That's the gap I'm talking about. And that, when I put a tape measure on it, from here, this is half an inch. So if you can imagine with this, supposed to be compressed, you probably need about 3/4 of an inch of a gap that needs to be closed there. And again, one of the suggestions I was thinking of was to take, some flat stock. I could put that along here. I could put some L bracket in here. There's multiple things I could try, but I'm just not seeing it. So anyway, that's the update. I will keep everyone posted with what's going on with it. I still have to finish up with the windshield washer. I still am going to get that installed. I just got to get the hose. Hopefully I'll do that this weekend. But other than that, that's what's going on. Also too, I hit 1,000 subscribers on the channel, and I really appreciate everyone that